Okay, let's get a cord to plug this dang thing in. Get a little bit better view of a map here. Okay. All right, well, it says we're about 35, 40 minutes, give or take, away from Albert's house. It's got a little bit of a drive. I mean, obviously, which is normal. It's nothing new, obviously. Typically always a drive, you know, we'll land somewhere, but we're driving to, you know, your actual house. It's not always as convenient as we'd like it sometimes, but it's also not inconvenient because that's just basically the normal. All right, guess what? I am done. What do you think?
Amazing job.
Came out nice.
Beautiful. I'm super happy. Yeah. Money well spent on a car enthusiast.
Right? It is beautiful. I love the red, obviously. Like, you know, it's a beautiful car, but talk about this. So what's going on over here? Obviously, it's a Vader, but tell everybody about this guy.
This is a 2005 donor car. We turned it into the Vader. It took about 1.5 years to build, and I'm not even I'm not done yet. Still got a couple of kinks here and there, but super fun to drive. Still has the original VQ engine on it, which we're gonna put a LS swap on that. Yeah, she's super fun.
So what's the base platform? What was this car?
2005 G35 Infinity.
What, I mean, obviously you don't have to say like the exact price, but ballpark, what do one of these things typically run? To get this kind of up this level? Like
fully built, anywhere from 125 to 160 I've seen it sold.
I mean, it looks beautiful.
It's just because of the craftsmanship. Obviously, it's not just anybody could build one of these. It's not simple. It's super complicated.
Yeah, it looks like it, but I mean, it's pretty. It's definitely pretty, for sure.
This is the Hellcat, Hellcat Orange, and if you notice, it has no place to put the fuel in.
Yeah.
There's no gas cap part of it, so everything is right inside, the battery and the gas.
Wow.
To put it in. Let me see if I can pop it open real quick.
Okay, yeah. Electric. Wow, that's clean. That looks clean.
This is where you would put
Fuel right there.
fuel right there.
Wow.
And then battery is right here. So I would just take this off.
Yeah, they definitely paid attention to detail when building this car for sure.
Yep. And not all Vaders are alike. They're all different. In
Are they?
one way or form, everybody has their own unique Vader.
Well, it is clean. But anyways, I gotta get going. Obviously, my flight literally boards, as you can see. My flight boards in about an hour and 15 minutes. So it was a pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure.
I'm glad I was able to come by, stop real quick and get this done for you. I'm glad you're happy.
Thank you. Pleasure's ours. Thank you.
No, not a problem. And until next time, guys, please like, subscribe, share. If you guys want your doors done by Eikon Motorsports, lifetime warranty, give us a call, 800-339-6544. You can also email us at support@eikonmotorsports.com. And be sure to subscribe and pay attention to our giveaways, because we're going to start giving away some C8 kits and installs for free. So have a good day. Bye.